This is Arrowrock Dam on the Boise River in southern Idaho. This dam was constructed before the era of hydropower. In fact, that small hydroelectric facility was only built in 2010. So an interesting detail about the power station here at Arrowrock Dam is the way it sits up on the bank. When you build a hydropower station, you always want to maximize the amount of hydraulic head, basically the vertical distance from the top water to the bottom. But since Arrowrock Dam sits at the upstream end of Lucky Peak Reservoir, that downstream elevation is always changing, which means that the power station had to be situated above the maximum elevation of the downstream reservoir. On one hand, this does mean that the overall generating capacity of Arrowrock Dam is reduced. But on the other hand, it's nice to know that your generator is never going to get flooded. This likely explains why in the dry season, Lucky Peak Reservoir is drawn all the way down and some surplus water is kept up in Arrowrock. It's actually fascinating to me that this dam went 90 years without having any power generation. This dam is not small and it's not on a small river. I don't understand why they didn't put the generators in sooner. But it just goes to show you that there are hundreds of facilities just like this one that could be upgraded to generate clean, reliable hydropower. We have not maxed out the amount of clean energy we can get from our existing dams.